Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about saving, looking for deals, promotions, and discounted items. Okay, so in this video what we're looking at is an unlocked phone by Motorola. I believe this came out for like maybe a year already, and the model for this is Motorola 5G Ace, and they advertise as 2-day battery, and it is unlocked. As you can see here, it says 128 gigabyte, 48 megapixel camera, and the color is hazy silver. When it first came out, the price is $399, so $400, and now you can get it for $249. For those of you out there who still with Sprint, or you're waiting, you're afraid that if you have the old phone and if the network shuts down and you need to get on a 5G phone to be with T-Mobile compatible, I think this one is a perfect time for you guys. Okay, and as you can see over here, it said it'll work with Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon, Cricket, and Metro. Okay, and we can go down. It does operating system is Android 10.0. And it does a little bit about this item. It says is unlocked for the freedom to choose your carrier compatible with AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon networks. SIM card not included. SIM card you can just go to. You can call customer service depending of your provider. Some might provide you a free one. Some might charge you $10, $15. And to use this device on Verizon, first provision your SIM through Verizon Wireless, log into the account, all the stuff, and super fast 5G speed, download your favorite movies in seconds, over 2 days of battery life, battery size is 5,000 milliamp power, 6 gigabyte of RAM memory, screen size is 6.7, Full HD. They do have another one, the LG one, which is $299, $50 more. I think LG, maybe they're exiting the phone business. You can also get like used ones as well for $203. And here, if you want to buy with the case and with the screen protector, the bundles and everything, the goodies come out like $270. Probably tackle like 10% tax on it, under $300 for a decent phone. Here a little bit more pictures from the manufacturer. Advertise, screen. Even Google all the major providers. And here are the different versions, different models that you can get from Motorola. I think this has the biggest battery size, water resistance, and this has 6 gigabyte of memory. All the rest of them has 3, 4. What's in the box? The phone, the USB Type-C cable, 10-watt USB wall chargers, SIM tool, and a user guide. Okay, I'm just going to make a quick video, so if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.